Nice, man. Okay, I've not played this map since they expanded it. So, I think I'm just gonna go. What's that big old sign right there? Radar or something. I don't know what that thing does for radar, but some sort of receiver for radar. I'm go over yonder there, see what's up. Okay, bees in the river there. Okay. Don't crash. Come on, little bird. Go up. Maybe I can sneak on down and take B real quick. I don't know what to expect with this map. Never been over here. Just something you fly by. Oh, they're on B right now. Shoot. No, 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 no. Come on, gain that RPM. Let's go. Where are you? Are you on the bridge? Are you up here? Yes, you are. Gonna cap it down here? Guess not. I'm trying to decap it real quick. Just touchdown. Use this broken part to land on. Oh. Alright, we're good there. Clear left. Clear there. This is sketchy, man. I don't feel good over here. Nice. Good job, little bird. Alright, alright. I'm gonna go cap B. Seems clear. Clear enough. I don't know where it is though. Where's the circle? Doesn't matter. Someone's gonna come from that way. They have to. Everything was clear that way. I see an antenna or anything, diving into the river. Worry about the collective or the RPM later. Alright, into the river we go. Hover here, not hover, but you know, take a look around. Alright, let's go very low and slow over C. See what's up. Okay, never mind, we're taking it. Might be able to help out a little bit. I hear someone on my left. Friendly, friendly. Enemy. Nice. Get down, get down, little bird, get down. Down, 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 down. Don't you fucking raise those RPMs, please. Shit. I gotta go. I gotta go. Don't hit the building. Oh my gosh. I love that shit. Dude, I bounced off that rock. It was some weird ping or something. Regulation landing right there. That's how they teach it in the schools. Wouldn't mind going back over there to see. Staying on the water side. Nice, nice. Where's their spawn at? Is it other side of the hill? Yeah, okay. It's right over yonder. Right over yonder. I don't know. Never been over there. Just fly on over here. Do whatever. I don't know what's happening right now. Swear I hear someone over here. I just heard some sort of engine. Could have been him. It was him, yeah, okay. Thing sounds like a snowmobile in the distance. Give this guy a little scare. That's a bush. That is super unfortunate.